In today's video, I will show you how your real estate website will look for your visitors when you need to show the property price options. With WPResidence, you can control everything from currency symbols to number format and even handle international visitors easily. Let's start with short style prices. Instead of showing huge numbers, you can show them in a short version. You can do this for millions or thousands. It's clean, modern, and really easy for visitors to read. Sometimes you may not want to show the price right away. Maybe it's a premium property or you want people to get in touch first. You can hide the price and replace it with a text like price on application. It keeps things professional and gives you flexibility. You also have full control over how numbers are displayed. You can set the thousands separator, choose the number of decimal points, and even change the decimal separator. It's all about making the numbers look professional and easy to read. Of course, you can pick your currency symbol, dollars, euros, rupees, whatever you need. And you can also decide if it shows before or after the number. Little details like this make your listings feel polished and credible. If you're listing properties in India, WPResidence makes this easy. Enable the Indian numbering format so prices display in Lakhs and Crores, and your audience will immediately recognize the numbers, which makes your site more user-friendly. You can also display Indian number formats as a short value. This can be enabled from theme options and your prices will show in a shorter format. If you have international visitors, the multi-currency widget is a game changer. You can add different currencies, set the exchange rates, and your site visitors can switch easily between different currencies. To make life even easier, WPResidence can automatically update the exchange rates every day. The multi-currency widget can be added to any widget area, and once added, users will simply select from a drop-down the currency they wish to see, and numbers will change accordingly. And that's it. With WPResidence, you can control prices exactly how you want them, short style numbers, Indian format, multi-currency support, and automatic updates. It makes your site professional, user-friendly, and ready for clients anywhere.